Hello everybody. We are going to go ahead and start Unit 3, which is functions. So the very first lesson is on functions versus relations. Okay? And to start off with, we're going to name that vocab word. So we're going to review a lot of vocabulary. Okay? This whole fun thing is called a Cartesian plane, or coordinate plane. Plane made by the intersection of the horizontal and vertical axis. Okay? Coordinates are the four sections made by the intersections of the x and y thing. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm probably going out of order than your thing, and I'm sorry, but life's hard. I don't know what to say. The y-axis is the vertical axis, and the x-axis is the horizontal one. Okay? Remember, if I'm going too fast, pause the video. I think that's it on this page. Alright, next. Oh wait, was that? Yeah, that's what that big picture was. That you had to name all this stuff. I'm almost positive. Almost completely positive. Yeah, definitely. You just have to, so all those vocab words, write them in, and then label them on the coordinate plane that I gave you with all the arrows. Now, I am forgetting one, of course, which is the origin. Sorry, this is kind of hard to read, but it says the intersection of the x and y axis, parentheses 0, 0. Okay? That's your origin. Now that should be all the stuff for that. And then you're just going to label them on your coordinate plane. Okay? Now this guy is called an ordered pair. So it's the placement of a point on a coordinate plane. Okay? It's called an ordered pair. Oh, wait, that wasn't it. Just kidding. Ordered pair, that's it. The y-coordinate, also known as the ordinate, is the y value of the ordered pair. And the x value, x-coordinate, also known as the abscissa, is the x value of the ordered pair. I have never used the word abscissa in my life, or ordinate. I've never seen it on as well, but it's part of your vocab, so I just want to let you know those are what they're called. X-coordinate, x value, y-coordinate, y value. Okay? Alright. A relation is a set of ordered pairs. Just like this one. It just needs to be a bunch of ordered pairs. And when we write a set, it has to be in braces. Okay? Just like with set builder notation, it's a set, so it's in braces. Okay? But a relation is a set of ordered pairs. Here's an example of one, and it must be in braces. Okay? A function is a specific kind of relation where every x value is matched with only one y value. So, if you have an x, like say your x is 1, and it goes to it's in a ordered pair with a 3 for its y, and also in another ordered pair, think of it like it's cheating on the y, it's not a function. Okay? So, we look at this example. Is this a function? Well, yes, it's a function because all the x values only are matched with one y value. There's only one 9, only one -3, only one 1, and there 1 is only matched with 2, -3 is only matched with 4, 9 is only matched with 8. So yes, it's a function. What ordered pairs could be added to this that would make this set not a function? Okay? So I could add an ordered pair, any ordered pair that had like 9, -3, or 1 as an x value, but a different y. So for example, if I put in -3, 1, that would make it no longer a function because here's an x with two different y's. The y's are 1 and 4. If I wanted to add an ordered pair to it and make sure it still is a function, I could just add any ordered pair that had a different x value than these three. So 2, 2. It works because there's no x value with the 2, and it's okay that we have the same y value. That's totally fine. It just can't have the same x value. Okay? Alright, other ways to show a relation. There's mapping, there's a table, and there's a graph. Okay? Mapping I thought I had a thing. Mapping is basically like bubbles, and there's arrows pointing to things inside the bubble. Okay. But a table is just a normal table, and a graph would be like you graph the points on it so you can see what the x and y value are on the coordinate plane. Okay. The vertical line test is used to determine if a graph is a function. So we draw a vertical line through the graph, and if that vertical line only crosses what's on the graph once, it's a function. Alright, so here's the table. Is this a function? Yes, I didn't blur that out. Because there's no repeats of the x's. It's okay if the y's repeat, the x's cannot. Okay? So that is a function. Here's an example of a map, okay, where the first bubble is your x values and your second bubble is your y values. So the arrows point to what they're matched to. So -7, 4 would be one ordered pair. 0, -2 would be another ordered pair. 0, 5 would be a different ordered pair. 2, -2 is another ordered pair. And 14, 4 is another ordered pair. This is not a function because 0 is matched with two different numbers, -2 and 5. And I find this the easiest to figure out if it's a function or not, because basically if there's more than one arrow coming out of a number for your first bubble, it's not a function, because then it's being matched with more than one number on the y values. Okay? But that's a map. And then here's a graph. So this is actually called a parabola. If we drew a vertical line through it, like this red line, it's only going through it this one time. It's hitting that parabola or the curve only once. So it passes the vertical line test. So yes, it is a function. Okay? Now if it hit more than once, then it wouldn't be a function anymore. Okay. Ordered pair. We already did this. Why are we going backwards? What happened? How'd I jump? Weird. So weird. Oh, that's it. Is that really it? Did I just do everything for you? I think I probably did it all for you. So, we will talk more about this in class. If you have any questions, please write them down and ask them in class. Otherwise, I will see you then. Bye.